in the lower 40s. Friday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain. Highs around 50. Here is the air quality index forecast.
We have a solar panel to charge in the light. Adjust the solar array panel to collect the sun. Charge the unit and listen to the weather station. Cranking power. Adjustable antenna. Listen to the broadcast of weatherband AM and FM radio. With the antenna folded and the crank opened up, crank for some power. Telescopic antenna that's adjustable. Weatherband.
New York out 20 nautical miles. For Tuesday, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
This is just not an AM/FM weatherband radio. It is with a solar array, a light, COB, LEDs, a spotlight in front. It also has a power bank in the back and USB-C charging to the power bank milliamps. There are 3 ways to charging your unit: all day cranking, all day through the sun, and plugging in for a few hours to charge via a 5-volt 2.0 amp charger. As you see here, we're charging the NOAA radio. Let's go over in detail of the radio. It's just not a radio, it's an emergency broadcast system and kit. The 4,000 milliamp battery can be charged via a 5-volt 2.0 amp charger. You have a red light flashing on and off. It'll blink solid when fully charged. When the right amount of charge is in the unit, you may plug in your USB-A power source to charge your phone, cameras, or anything of an emergency. A tuning knob, a volume knob, a switch for AM, FM, and weather band, your speaker area, and your SOS long press 3-second emergency audible and visual light. 1, 2, 3. Press to shut off. On the back of the unit, you have your USB-C input for charging, a 3.5 millimeter jack port for listening to your radio, and a USB-A output for charging any product of your choice. This is a weather-resistant radio. Cover your door to keep it IP rated. On the top of the unit is your solar array panel that will charge your unit in full day sun. We have a red light LED indicator to show you the charging. Grab the 2 black sides to pull out and extend your unit by lifting up and sliding out so you can extend your solar array panel and extend the light that's inside. On the top is a simple on and off switch, no dimmable. You can adjust your light to any angle you like and shut off. You can adjust the bracket to any height you like and close down for the next time. This is the light indicator on and off, a spotlight. It is a single COB LED light. On the bottom are little stands made of plastic to keep your radio sturdy. On the back side will be your crank that goes into the slot so you could crank the unit. You notice a red indicator that will start to charge as you crank to get emergency radio power. Store the crank handle away, and you have a telescopic antenna that's adjustable in any angle. To listen to AM, FM, and weatherband, turn on and adjust.
In New Jersey, temperatures were between 48 and 50 degrees. Fog was reported at Somerset and Trenton.
To listen to the head jacks, turn your music on to a low volume, plug in, and then adjust your volume higher when the headset's on for your comfort. And last but least, we have an included tether strap and the USB-C to A charging cable. And this unit comes in a number of colors, so please check online for further detail, more about the product and what you are after. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.